my dear students. In last video you have learned more about 4-digit numbers, like how to write number names, how to write the number names in figures, how to expand a number, and how to write the numbers in short form, right? In today's video we are going to learn about how to compare 4-digit numbers, okay? And for comparing 4-digit numbers or any number, we use some symbols, okay? So here are those symbols which we are going to use in this topic, okay? This symbol is called greater than. This symbol is called greater than symbol, okay? For example, 9 is greater than 2, right? This symbol is called as less than symbol, okay? Less than. For example, 7 is less than 12, understood? And this symbol is very familiar to you all. This symbol is known as equal to. For example, 5 is equal to 5. Any number we find, when we find equal numbers, we use this equal sign, okay? Let us know more about it by using an example. Okay, let us compare these numbers. There are two numbers, 7693 and 7625. We have to compare these two 4-digit numbers. Okay, so first we will compare ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Thousands place. Okay, first one. In thousands place, here 7 is there. In this number also 7. That means 7 is equal to 7. So we will move to hundreds place. In hundreds place 6 is there. Here also in hundreds place 6 is there. That means 6 is equal to 6. We have to move further in tens place. Now see here. In tens place 9 is there, and here in tens place 2 is there. Right? So 9 is greater than 2. Right? If 9 is greater than 2, that means here what will come? That means this number is greater than this number, because 9 is greater than 2. So we will put here greater sign towards this number. 7693 is greater than 7625. Understood? Let us see one more example. See this example, 6748 and 6920. We have to compare these two 4-digit numbers. So first we will compare the thousands place. In this number the thousands place is 6, and here in thousands place 6 is there. So both the numbers are equal. That means we have to move further for hundreds place. Check hundreds place. Here 7 is there and here 9 is there. That means 7 is less than 9. Understood? That means this number is less than 9. We don't have to go further for tens and ones place. Here we have found 7 is less than 9. That means this number is less than this number. So we will put here less than sign. And this mouth, this is same as alligator mouth, right? So this mouth will open always towards the greater number. Okay, this sign or this mouth will open always towards the greater number. Okay, now let us know more about comparing numbers by this video.
Compare 4-digit numbers with Buzzy the bee. Hello kids, I am Buzzy the bee. I will teach you how to compare numbers. To compare two or more 4-digit numbers, we first look at the thousands place, then the hundreds place, then the tens place, and lastly the ones place. Let us understand with an example. Look at the numbers 3672 and 3843 on the flowers. We begin by comparing the digits in the thousands place, that is 3 and 3. The digits are the same here. So now we compare the digits in the hundreds place. That is 6 and 8. The digits are different here. Here, 6 is smaller than 8. So, the number 3672 is smaller than the number 3843. You already know the open side of the sign always points towards the greater number. The closed side of the sign always points towards the smaller number. Let us try one more example. Look at the numbers 2318 and 2314 on the flowers. Both the numbers have 2 in the thousands place. So, we compare the digits in the hundreds place. Both the numbers have 3 in the hundreds place. So, we compare the digits in the tens place. Both the numbers have 1 in the tens place. So, now we compare the digits in the ones place. That is 8 and 4. Here, 8 is greater than 4. Thus, we say 2318 is greater than 2314.
Now let us solve exercise questions. It is given in page number 82 in your textbook, and there are 9 questions given in your textbook. I am solving here the first 5 questions with you all, and the rest 4 questions you have to do with yourself in textbook as well as in notebook. So let us solve these 5 questions. Okay. First question is 375 and 1205. We can clearly see that this is 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. That means 4-digit number is greater than 3-digit number. So we will put here less than sign. That means 375 is less than 1205 because it is 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. We can clearly see that, so we will not compare the places. Okay. Second question, 6087 and 6078. See, both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. So we will compare here. 6 is equals to 6 because in both the thousands places 6 is there. That means 6 is equal to 6. Next is compare hundreds. 0, here also 0. That means 0 equal to 0. Next 8 and 7. Here difference is there. That means 8 is greater than 7. So we will put here greater sign. 8 is greater than 7. That means 6087 is greater than 6078. Understood? Third one is 2250 and 2250. See, both the places, 4-digit number and all the places are equal. That means both the numbers are also equal. So we will put here equal sign. Fourth one, 5790. 5799. Compare both the numbers. Compare the thousands. 5 equal to 5. Compare the hundreds. 7 equal to 7. Compare the tens. 9 equal to 9. So we have compared all the hundreds, thousands and tens place. Now see the unit place, that means ones place. 0 and 9. Here the difference is there, 0 and 9. 9 is greater than 0 or 0 is less than 9. So we will put here less than sign. 5790 is less than 5799. Understood? Fifth one, 3989. and 3989. See the numbers. You can clearly see both the numbers are equal. All the places are also equal. 3 equal to 3, 9 equal to 9, 8 equal to 8 and 9 equal to 9. So all the places are also equal. So we will put here directly equal sign. Understood? The rest 4 questions do by yourself.